Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. Today's coverage is Tupac Shakur. Now, Tupac Shakur died in 1996. They just stated that they just found someone that's connected to his murder. Now, it's been over 29 years. About to be 27 to 29 years of Tupac dying. Can y'all let the man rest in peace? Now, I'm not saying that his family don't need closure into what's happening or what happened, right? But what y'all think? Do you think they're a bit too late? They raided the man's place, didn't find anything. They raided his place, didn't find anything. But now they bringing this up to the forefront, to our forefront in today's world. What's really going on? Is that a big distraction? What do you guys think? What do you think? I'm gonna let CNN let you guys know what's going on.
CNN, Las Vegas police have arrested a suspect in connection with the 1996 drive-by shooting death of legendary rapper Tupac Shakur.
Okay.
CNN's Camila Bernal joins us live right now, along with CNN legal analyst Joey Jackson. So first to you, Camila, what are we learning about this arrest?
Hey, Boris, sources telling CNN that they have arrested Dwayne Keith Davis, also known as Keffy D. He was arrested this morning, according to sources, in connection with the killing of Tupac Shakur. Now, we do know that in July,
Tupac Shakur. Now, he was arrested in his killing, right? But who's to say that he did it or not? And was he the fall guy? Was he the one who set it all up? Because now, this is all allegation now. Now, everyone's screaming online, Diddy's next. Not saying that Diddy did it. But a lot of people benefited off of Tupac dying. A lot of people benefited off of Biggie dying. But we don't know the facts. So I'm not going to put something out there that I don't know about. But let's continue. Because it's September, and we should be talking about other things like inflation, which is natural. Them changing the, we know we have a new virus coming in town. The government shutdown, the border crisis, it's election time. We should be talking about things like that. Not going back in the past trying to dig something up to bring it to the forefront when it's already had its closure. It already has its closure. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And if you see me swatting like this, I'm outside in nature, filming, because I said no matter what, I can't stop, I won't stop. So if I got to bring my tripod with me wherever I go, I'm in the park right now, you know, playing a little football with the fellas. And that's what we doing. Sunday, why not? Sunday fun day. But let's continue.
Department served a search warrant on Davis's wife's home, and what they were looking for was any evidence linking to this crime. They were looking for anything that could show motive as to the killing of Tupac Shakur, and specifically we know that in this search warrant police were able to obtain multiple tablets, an iPhone. They took 5 computers, USB drives, photographs. So we know that they have been...
My thing is this. They took 5 iPhones, USB drives, and all of this. In 1996, do you think that they had iPhones back then? What evidence is going to be on the iPhone? Leave a comment down below. Tupac did not have an iPhone in 96 nor before that. No one did. So the fact is, would they be talking about this so-called allegation? Because you're innocent until proven guilty. But I understand that the land that we're living in America. You're actually guilty until proven innocent. But let's see. Let's see. Did he or did he not do this? What do the people think? And this is all speculative. Because you really don't know, because no one was really there. So to go back 27 years, 29 years, it wasn't that many cameras around. People wasn't telling on each other like they are in today's society. So it was too many hands involved. It was millions and billions of dollars behind it. So I think they're late to the party. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think.
Have been investigating this case since it happened in 1996.
1996.
At the moment, we do not know what Davis has been charged with. We are expecting a press conference later on today to get details from authorities. But again, this is something that happened in 1996, and police have been looking into for years now. Dwayne Keith Davis, he had described himself as one of the only witnesses to this shooting. If you recall, Tupac Shakur was in a car. They were at a boxing match at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas. They were in a car. And
first of all, they was in a car in the MGM. Now, to go all the way back then, right? It's a lot of possibilities. You're at the casino. Somebody could have seen you hating on you. It's so many possibilities on what could have happened that day. So you have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. And I think it's too much doubt in that for them to be convicting this man. This is my prediction, my speculation. It don't mean that I'm right. But what do you guys think? Put a 9 down below if you agree. Put a 6 if you don't. Are they too late? Is this a cold case? I'm just saying.
Car that pulled next to them and the shooting began. It's unclear exactly who shot Tupac, but again,
that's the part that I'm telling people. It's unclear. No one really knows. There was no cameras back then. So it's just a blame game or a fall guy. There's no way to really know, to fully know. What's done is done. Let the man rest in peace. That's all I'm saying. Let him rest in peace, because there's other things we need to be focused on in 2023. You see the eviction. You see the homelessness. You see things climbing. You see how they're closing. Most of these companies filing for bankruptcy. Why are we not talking about that? These are the things that determine your future. You see CBDCs. You see the digital currency that's going on. You see Brick Nation. Can y'all let Tupac rest in peace? That's all I ask. On that note, like, comment, share. Subscribe to the video so I can bypass the algorithm so more people will know. Once again, subscribe to the video so I can bypass the algorithm so more people will know. How do you do that? By smashing that like button, right? And if you don't like, smash that don't like button. Just let me know why. I'm here for improvement. I'm here for improvement. I'm here to spread awareness. I'm here to let you guys know what's going on and give you the real coverage. On that note, peace, blessings. And don't forget, let Tupac rest in peace. That part.